Well, this is different. Dee, tell them where we're at.
We're heading to Peevely.
Peevely.
Testing tuning on the old hatch.
I think this might be the first ever test and tune I've ever had.
Really?
Yep.
That's crazy.
I've sent cars into turn one after finishing them 20 minutes before, but I don't think I've ever tested and tuned. Secondly, this is the first time I've been back to Peevely in about a year and a half. And we won't go into that,
yeah.
but it's good to get back. Dee and I, how much confidence do we have in this car tonight?
I only got one little small worry, and I'm hoping we don't have to worry about that. Other than that, I think we'll be all right.
We had a portion of the transmission break off the motor mount that it was just the top section, and it fit back in there completely. And I did JB weld everything, and like I put a couple layers and everything, and should be good, but we'll see. I mean, if something's gonna go, that's gonna go. If we have an axle issue, we did have a boot that was a little bit loose, but we brought a spare axle. We'll see what happens, but excited to get out here and finally get this thing on the track. I hope we honestly, I just want to make some good laps and let the car run good. So we'll see you guys in just a second. Hopefully we'll have this thing ripping.
We're here. It's like my dad's clutch. It's like the second you start letting out, it's out.
All right,
Going in.
old Fryer going in. Went out the first time, y'all. The car actually held together well, handled surprisingly well. Don't really know how fast it is when I'm a transponder and we don't have other cars, but did run a little bit hot. We're gonna go add a little bit of water, and then Mr. Fryer, this is the first time he's ever been in a hatchback, first time he's ever been in any other car that's a Honda other than his. So we'll see how it goes.
bit of plastic burning though. I just need to make sure.
I think it's the vinyl under from the exhaust. Because I put some extra vinyl around behind the shifter. I think that vinyl is getting hot.
Oh yeah. That's warm there. Dude.
What'd you think?
It's flipped to the left rear, or left right.
Yes, it is.
But it goes anywhere. Anywhere. Oh man, it's hot though. But yeah, I love it. It feels good.
All right, we're dropping down a little bit smaller tire, right, D?
Is it smaller? I thought we were going bigger.
Smaller on this front, on
this side.
Yeah, on this side. But we're gonna put a bigger back right because we just had those racing rims on there. But gonna see how this does. Getting ready to go out. Hopefully this thing handles. It handles good, but it's just lifting the front left. So let's see what it does.
Well, it went pretty good.
You start us.
I don't know, man. You drove twice, and it did about everything we wanted it to do, and I drove it once, and it just completely surprised me. I figured it would just be completely different, but it honestly just did what you wanted.
It really did. It went wherever you wanted it to go.
High, low, mid. I didn't go
Anything.
low, you did.
Yeah. We needed more tire to get high and to like really try it. But man, I am happy. Like this is I have not felt a sense of relief until tonight. It's like finally getting out on the track and getting some laps
all
in.
the work that this one you
Yeah.
put in and everybody put in, but you put in a lot.
So I want to stop right there because that's a good transition. Dave Sandell.
Yep.
Dave Sandell. My gosh. Y'all, Dave Sandell poured his heart into this car. And like I said, I talked about this earlier in the video, in my 3-minute little spiel, that we had so many issues with this, and that's just the ones I had. But then Dave had as many before I even got the car. So I want to take a moment to absolutely highlight Dave Sandell. Also the Fryer crew, they came out, I think 1 or 2 days.
Yeah, twice.
My dad, Pops, the mailman, Alston, I mean, Skylar, like honestly, pretty much the whole crew, but really, really want to make sure we highlight Dave. The car was awesome. And like we thought we were going to come over here and like, we just wanted to not break it first.
That's what we was really
like don't break. And the car, it just handled great. So we don't really know how fast we were.
Yeah.
That's well, time will tell. But I don't think we could have a better night.
No, just went.
Hung out with a friend. We were both able to drive. No real issues.
Our mishap on the water a little bit, but
yeah,
I just made up.
We overheated a little bit at the beginning, and we think that there was just like we put it on in there right before we went out, and we think we just caught a big air bubble or something, and because it took a lot more after I went out for D to go.
It still wasn't too hot.
No, it wasn't bad. It just got up to racing temperatures for sure. Guys, we're loading up. D, I don't think I got anything else to say.
Good night.
I'm smiling ear to ear because it's relief more than anything.
Your last 3 drives has been horrible.
Horrible. And we still have to figure out the RSX. It's got a crank pulley wobble or something. We keep wobbling belts and we're switching everything, but at least now we have a car that we can bring to the track.
Yep. And a nice car.
And a nice car. Alrighty guys, signing out. We're gonna load up. See y'all.